Put on your game face. It's time for Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor, and Alan Nachman, the chief market strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Here we go, guys. Round number one, AI time. AI stocks are on a hot run. What do you say to speculators who are buying these stocks?
Be careful. We get these stocks that get everybody's attention. We had the meme stocks. We had the crypto stocks. We had the marijuana stocks. So just be aware, the AICI has been the big play that's gone up from 10 to 30 so far in 2023. Not to say there's not more upside, but I like the big boys. Meta is a big player in this space, as is Microsoft and Google. Google's made a nice little bottom here, trading between 85 and 105. So a breakout here targets 125. I think that's got the best risk reward, and they've got a lot of other revenue streams.
I agree, but I'll tell you what, AI is going to be a hot sector. Its time is here, and it's going to change the world, similar to what the internet did. And there are going to be some real jewels of those stocks. Now, which ones are going to be, I can't tell you. I still own Pets.com. That didn't work out too well. But, a lot of these things are great opportunities, and there's going to be stocks that we're going to be looking back, AI stocks 10 years from now, and say, man, all I had to do to retire was buy those stocks. I think we're in that kind of era with AI.
What's really interesting is I've always had AI. My computer and my TV always know what I'm going to type in before I even press the button. So it's been here for a while, actually.
Yeah, we kind of know what you're going to say before we push to the button as well. So
round number two, copper topped. Elon Musk says electric vehicles will not use up the world's copper. What's next for high-grade futures?
I mean, right now, copper is in an explosive bull market. We've pulled back a little bit, but we really think that the price of copper could actually double in a couple of years. And the main reason is that the demand for copper is going to rise faster than the supply. And I don't think it's going to catch up for a couple of years. So I think I'm a long-term bull on copper. We'll come back 2 years from now. We'll see if I'm right. But the copper market is extremely tight, and it's going to get even tighter as China reopens its economy.
I like copper here at 4, but you're trying to pick the bottom. Let's remember we were at 475 just last March. If you're looking at industrial metals, I think this pullback in silver is a good opportunity. It's been between 20 and 25 here for a number of months. Now it's come back to the kind of the halfway point. So I think silver, which is very industrial, I think that could participate when gold gets its legs back above 1900 once again.
Round number 3, home field advantage. Now that the S&P has surged, are foreign stocks a better value? Pick a play that is not USA.
Well, it's not just us. We've seen China rally 45% off its lows. And if you look at the Eurostoxx 50, it's bounced as well. So I think there's still more upside in a lot of stocks, not just America, but I think my pick to click on this list, I know we had Merck and STM, which is micro, but my pick to click is British Petroleum. It has a price to earnings ratio of 4, and I'm very bullish on the energy, as is my friend Phil.
I am too. And you know what? It's funny because BP changed its name to Beyond Petroleum, BP. And they recently acknowledged, hey, wait a second. All the spending that we've been doing on these green energy sources isn't really making us that much money, and it's not keeping up with demand. And we're going to have a shortage of fossil fuels. So Beyond Petroleum has gone back to petroleum. And actually, I like the BP stock right now as well.
It's half the price it was in 2007. So it's got a low price to earnings, and it's half of what it was. So in the big picture, I think that's a foreign stock to keep an eye on.
Here's your bonus round question for today. Super Bowl ticker time. Can you catch the correct ticker? Will it be ball, pass, or score?
Ball.
Ball, yeah.
Yes. 2 winner chicken wing dinners to our top players. Great job, guys. Business First AM. We'll be right back.